The Amana ASXC18 series air conditioning units experienced a critical safety issue related to their high-pressure protection system. This system is designed to prevent the compressor from reaching dangerous pressure levels, which can lead to overheating, fire, or complete equipment failure. The core problem stemmed from defective high-pressure switches that failed to reliably cut power when pressure exceeded safe limits, typically between 400 to 600 psi. These substandard switches were prone to corrosion and electrical failures, especially in humid environments or under voltage fluctuations. This could allow unchecked compressor operation, risking compressor burnout or fire from electrical faults. To address this, Amana, under Whirlpool Corporation, initiated a voluntary recall and repair program in 2023, which remains active as of today, 2026-04-10. The fix primarily involves replacing the faulty high-pressure switch with a more robust UL-certified version, sometimes accompanied by software updates to enhance monitoring and control. The repair process involves a certified technician replacing the defective switch with an improved UL-certified component, often with sealed contacts or redundant sensors. This fix is typically completed in 1 to 2 hours and doesn't impact the unit's performance. As of 2025, Whirlpool reported fixing over 150,000 units globally, focusing on North American markets. A class action lawsuit was settled in 2024, providing compensation and free parts for repairs. Owners can contact Whirlpool for inspections and repairs, with the program running until at least 2028. Future HVAC systems are trending towards IoT-enabled diagnostics for real-time monitoring and AI-driven predictive maintenance to prevent such issues. Regulatory bodies like the CPSC are also pushing for mandatory reporting of high-risk components to enhance safety and consumer protection.